Yo, what's up, everybody? We are back again with another edition, another episode, another lesson, another presentation. So this is Broadcast Mangi Automotive. We are auto technicians specialized in car diagnostics and automotive repair. So as per tradition, we present you a 2.5 liters V6 engine 4GR. So this one is a 2006 model. So in this case, the client was experiencing overheating issues. The temperature was rising above normal. He also experienced or noticed a splash of coolant on the radiator fans. Then the third thing that was actually noticed a funny sound that was coming from the front part of the engine. So our client in this case thought it was the belt for the alternator. Yeah, so he called us, no, come and replace the belt. So when we did our inspection, we discovered this problem. So guys, do you know this part? So drop a comment if you know this part for 4GR engine and where it is. So this is the water pump. As you can hear, it's really making a very funny noise. So not two ways about it in this situation. Guys, we just had it replaced with a very good working water pump. So this is how it looks like. And it is at a very weird angle. So there it is. There's a bit of some work here. So if you're also experiencing such problems, you can always contact us. That weird sound and also overheating issues. So here is the old water pump. Come closer. Yeah, I'm sure you're able to hear that sound. Even with my hands, it's able to make that sound. Then let's compare it with this one. You see, it's quiet. So that's how these guys die. Yeah. Ah, panomboro ya lo hapo. Panomboro ya dida. You revving in? All right. We have won again. Vroom. Just from the look of things, it is a vroom. Vroom. Vroom.